YouTube, it's a little short video. I mounted my KLUTCH Planishing hammer to a stand, which is basically an old piece of guardrail. And basically all I did is drill 2 holes and put 6 zip ties on it. So I'm not going to bore you with video footage of me drilling 2 holes, putting 2 bolts in, and basically spending half an hour looking for nuts and bolts. So I'm just going to show you what I did, and probably be like another, 30 seconds of video. So stay tuned and I'll show you. Hello YouTube, I don't know if you can see right here, there's a KLUTCH Planishing hammer. Well anyway, I mounted it to this big giant heavy, super crazy heavy, oh my finger. It's basically a giant piece of galvanized steel that used to be a guardrail. What I did is I just drilled a hole in here. I drilled a hole in there. I put a zip tie in there. I put a zip tie up there, and I put a zip tie over here and one up here. I just wanted to hold the line on it right here. See, it goes down. And unfortunately I lost the goddamn pin for here. I don't know where it is. It's on the floor somewhere. And the only thing I got to do is take that foot pedal and make a steel plate that'll sit on there. I'm thinking of using those 2 holes, put like a plate or a piece of wood so it sticks in there, because it's like, this foot pedal is a piece of shit if you ask me, but hey, that's what I got. See, it's basically too goddamn flimsy. It's too, I mean, it should be a lot heavier. This thing, even though it moves, if this thing was on a level floor, it wouldn't budge at all. So I got to move it and just level it a little. So other than that, hope you liked the video. KLUTCH Planishing hammer. If you don't do a lot of planishing, it's an excellent piece of equipment. Oh, what I also forgot to mention about the KLUTCH Planishing hammer is I bought it on sale, and don't bother looking at the immense pile of shit behind it, because that's going to get cleaned up. Basically, there's a vintage planer and my TIG welding machine behind it, which is buried in a pile of junk. So next time, I'll help move that away. But I'm not into making perfect videos. I'm not into like cleaning it up and having like this perfect little man cave. This is a workshop and there's shit everywhere. So yeah, you know, people have clean work. You can do work in clean workshops, but I clean it up. I'm doing work. I move things around. And, you know, if I had this contraption out of here, I'd have a lot more space, and the other 4-wheeled contraption. So I do have stuff that's kind of keeping me in a crunch, but hey, I'm using what I got and I'm enjoying it. So yeah, 2022 is gonna be fun. Thanks for watching the video. Toodles.